how to fix cellular issue on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to fix cellular issues on your iPhone quickly and easily. So let's dive right in. Open up the settings app and then you will need to navigate to general and then tap on about. So here, if you found a carrier settings update available, you'll see an update option. This is crucial for maintaining a strong connection. So come back and then go to software update. Make sure that the iPhone is running to the latest iOS version. If not, update it. Regular updates can help resolve various connectivity issues. And then come back and scroll down to the bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. So here you'll need to tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings. So this will keep your data but clear any glitches affecting your connection. And that's it. I hope one of the solution helps you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.